In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my version of the best Chick-fil-A pizza hack using regular Chick-fil-A nuggets and the grilled nuggets. So stay tuned. Okay, at the Chick-fil-A store, you will want to get small order of the 8-piece Chick-fil-A nuggets and small order of the 8-piece grilled nuggets. Also get a medium waffle fries and a bunch of Chick-fil-A sauce. You can also buy a bottle of Chick-fil-A sauce for $2.50. Okay, and here's what I got. 8-piece grilled nuggets. I got 8-piece Chick-fil-A nuggets. And medium waffle fries. And instead of asking for Chick-fil-A sauce packets, I just bought a bottle from them for $2.50. This is a 8-ounce bottle, and I'm in love with this sauce, so why not? And you'll also need mozzarella cheese shredded. 1 cup should be fine. And of course, our pizza crust. I am using CaliFlour Foods pizza crust. It's a thin crust made with cheese, and it is delicious. Not sponsored. And here's the crust I'm talking about. We're going to open this up and check it out. See how thin it is? And it's made out of cheese and cauliflower. So we're going to try something different here. I got this at Walmart. It was just under $10 for 2 crusts in a box. It's a 10-inch pizza crust. So we'll give it a try. Here's a closer look at it. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll preheat our oven to 400. And we'll place our crust in a baking pan. Okay, first, we want to spread Chick-fil-A sauce over the crust as our first layer. Then we want to sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese all over. Then we'll take our waffle fries and just break them up and spread them all over. And was left with a few extra to spare. Now we'll take our grilled chicken nuggets and break them into little bite-sized pieces and spread them all over. So I ended up using all 8 chicken grilled nuggets there. And now we're gonna do the same for the regular Chick-fil-A nuggets. Just break them into little bite-sized pieces and spread them evenly in the mix. I think I got enough chicken nuggets on there, and can you believe it? I'm left with 4 extra nuggets. I guess I'll snack them on the side. Now we want to add another layer of mozzarella cheese and just go ahead and sprinkle more on top of this. We're going to get an extra cheesy flavor. Who doesn't love extra cheese, right? And now we'll set this in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes to warm this up and let the cheese melt. And 11 minutes later, my pizza is ready. And here it is. It's looking so good. And now I'm going to slice the pizza. I'm going to slice it into 4 pieces, but you can slice them into smaller 8 pieces if you like. And can't forget Chick-fil-A sauce. Gotta add extra in a little bowl to dip this in. This is a must. This sauce is amazing with this pizza. See how this tastes like. This looks so good and smells so good. There it is. Already taste the grilled chicken with some crispy chicken and the fries and the cheese. Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm gonna dip some sauce in. Oh, this is so good. This is the bomb. This is one of the best pizzas I've ever tasted, if not the best.